just finished getting ready. My leave out has left for sure, especially after that solid core class. I am actually so mad that I got a sew-in during the summer because it's not convenient at all, but I had somewhere I needed to be and I kind of wanted a more sleek look. So I just like, you know what, let me be on a grown and sexy vibe and get a sew-in, but now I'm just regretting it. I just got ready because I need to do this quick video for Scentbird. I think I spent $1 million this last week at Lulu. They came out with strawberry milkshake again, so I had to get this. Tag is still on here and everything. I haven't worn it yet. Then they came out with this legacy green. This eats down, like this little forest green vibe. This is so cute. I cannot wait until it becomes November because this is definitely like a fall moment, but I had to get it now because if you know, you know, once they run out of stuff, they never bring it back. And then this one just came out. It's called Ideal Mint. The cutest little Tiffany blue. It does kind of give like 2013, like that teal bedroom that all the girls wanted in middle school, but I don't know, like I like her. Hey guys, so I'm about to have a meltdown. I've made this video 7 times and I don't like the way it's coming out. Everything is just upsetting me right now. I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna try filming this on this camera because I don't like the lighting. It's something about the iPhone that is distorting. I'm about to show you. Ew! Y'all like my jacket though? This is so cute. I love it. Okay, let me film this. I got this package from Mason Margiela today and they sent over the Springtime in a Park. Y'all, why is this? This is so tea. I cannot stop spraying it. It's so delicious. It just smells so girl la la. Come on, springtime. It's giving delicate flowers and juicy pear. It's like fruity, sweet, and fresh. Like very, very light. Almost like a floral soap. This color is exactly how it smells. Just very feminine and cute. This isn't eau de toilette though. Let's see how it lasts. Yeah, I'm just going to happy hour today. It is Friday. Anyways, this is the outfit. Just this tank top from Zara. I got it on sale for like $10. These jeans from Zara, and they have a wide leg at the bottom. They have this frayed edge. It's the same way at the bottom, also super cute. And then for a pop of color, I'm wearing this Louis bag. I think this bag was limited edition. I got it last, can I get this? Life just feels like it's moving so fast because that feels like years ago. Post reveal. Post unboxing. Pretty. Y'all, I'm finally back home and I got this little package from Rare Beauty. I don't have my tripod with me, so this angle is really weird. It has little velvet packaging. Cute. These are her new True to Myself pressed finishing powder. So they sent over 3 shades. This is giving bronzer. We're getting a little closer. And this is the last one. This is in the shade True Caramel. I feel like this one could work Oh man, dang it. I'll probably use these as bronzers or something. Oh, and then in here there's a little travel case for the powder. Prada just came out with the new Paradox, and if you've been watching me, you know Prada Paradox is one of my favorite scents. They came out with this new scent called Virtual Flower. This is like a lighter, fresher take on Paradox, and it uses AI, which is why they call it Virtual Flower. Basically, this uses AI jasmine, which is really cool. So this is described as a floral, musky fragrance that captures the airy floral scent of jasmine. I don't think I like this, unfortunately, and I hope they don't kick me off the PR list because I do love Prada Paradox, but this is just not giving to me. It's very hard for me to dislike a perfume, but it's like they took away the sweetness and the candiness and the vanilla, and it's just like musky flowers. It's too white floral. I haven't tried this on my skin yet because I am scared, but just smelling it from the bottle, it just smells like white flowers. Yeah, I need to do this video for, they're having this campaign for National Cherry Day, which is tomorrow. I haven't had a chance to do a video with this yet because I just came home from a trip yesterday. Tinge cherry from Montal. It's like it's a floral cherry. It actually kind of reminds me of Jergens body lotion, but not actually. It doesn't really smell like Jergens body lotion, but it's like that soft, creamy, almondy cherry. If y'all want to try this, I'll leave it linked down below. Another cherry perfume that's featured in this is the Juliet by Juliet Has a Gun. This one is definitely my favorite of the two cherries, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back once I'm showered and stuff and start getting ready for this concert because I only have 2 hours to get ready, and I still have to do my hair after this video. It's just a lot, girl, so I'll be right back. Lately I've been watching Love Island, and why is it actually so good? The only reason I really cared about this season is because of Serena. I saw that she's from Houston and she's an AKA, so I'm like, oh my goodness, let me tune in. A little skin tint. This one's from Fenty. It's my favorite ever. I'm at the part where they just introduced Miguel into the villa, and so far and Cordell are my favorites. Rob is sassy. Aaron is very sassy, but I normally don't watch reality TV or anything like that. I don't know, it's just not really my cup of tea. The only reality show that I've watched is the Kardashians. I'm using the Dr. Dennis lip plumper today. I always forget that I have it. It makes my lips look, I just got half a syringe. It's so good. It is $50, but it's so tea. I discovered this blush, and it's my new favorite blush. It makes you look sunburned. It's the Sun Blush from It Cosmetics. It's that perfect sun-kissed look. I don't even know why I'm telling y'all this because now I'm feeling like I don't want to put this on tonight, but I feel like that's more daytime. This is in the shade Lucky. My little one size powder. I love this stuff. This is the pink color. I'm gonna use this all-nighter spray to set everything in. Okay, I almost forgot this one finishing touch on my makeup. This is my highlight balm. This is from Westman Atelier, and I'm telling you, it just gives you the most unreal glow. I love this stuff so much. I feel like it just totally changes the way my makeup looks. All right, y'all, here's my full outfit. I'm just wearing the Skims bodysuit, Swarovski necklace, and then my Safari Dunks. It is standing room. I wanted to wear something very comfortable. Okay, for tonight's scent, I'm gonna wear Herba Pura because I just feel like this gives like night out vibes. This is a little purse that I'm bringing with me, and let's go.
You don't know me more than that. Yeah, I know I. Hey, yeah. No friends in the industry. My brothers been my brothers, make niggas don't killing me. Whoa, I was snapping when I chat before that app. Stood on everything I said and never took it back. Whoa, no friends in the industry. I had to drop the line between my brothers. My enemies are back. Niggas wanna start the beat, don't wanna keep it rap. Yeah, you hit us up and we owe you something back. I was put angel, you niggas turn me evil. Yeah, I know you, but you really ain't my people. Yeah, I heard some people say they know him as my equal. Two people that son, these niggas better don't put people. Ask about the plan, I say you got the shit.
Dogs outside right now. I am on crunch time because I need to find an outfit for this event. Charlotte Tilbury is having this intimate happy hour, and it's like this whole thing to try out the new makeup, the new fragrances, and I don't have a fit. I already searched my closet because I really didn't want to go shopping, but it seems like I'm going to have to go. I'm thinking this asymmetrical white top, a really good pair of jeans that kind of like flare just a little bit, and then gold heels. That's happy hour appropriate. Like, I don't want to be too dressy. There's a lot that you missed. I went to a Sunday Riley event on Friday. I didn't record because I was so sick. You can kind of hear it in my voice. I'm still getting over this little summer cold that I had, but it was so bad, y'all. My nose started bleeding in the middle of the event, and it was a master class. So we're all sitting in rows. There are like 3 rows in the middle of washing my face, and my nose just starts pouring blood. It was truly terrible. Like, I was sweating, nose bleeding, head pounding. I have this wrap on because I just went to solid core this morning and I didn't want my edges to get super frizzy. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw like a little baseball cap on and get going because I don't want to be out here in the rain, and I do have some plans later, but we gotta make this quick. All right, y'all, I'm back home. I changed. I've just been cleaning up and stuff for the past couple hours. Okay, but here's my little mini haul of what I got from Target, because I did need to restock on my hygiene stuff. I got 3 bath nets because last time I went to Target a couple days ago, they didn't have any. So I always like to make sure I have enough. This Dove White Peach body wash, they just came out with this. It smells really good. I think I'm going to use this tonight. And a re-up of my favorite from Method Body. It's like a sweet, milky vanilla coconut. Very soothing for bedtime. This with this, literally the best vanilla body care combo. I need to start making my body care routines again, but I don't know, like I just got out of the groove with that. Let me lock back in. I recently got this Fenty Skin body milk in the mail. This is my new favorite product. If y'all been watching me, y'all know I love a good body milk. The texture is not too watery, but it still absorbs really fast. It smells just like the original Fenty Butter Drop body lotion. But they need to come out with this in more scents because I am now obsessed. All right, y'all, I just got finished getting ready for this event. We're going to an event for Charlotte Tilbury. I tried out a new lip combo. I used the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat, but then I used this lipstick from Kilian. This is their matte intoxicating rouge color, and it also smells like Love Don't Be Shy. On top of everything, I put the Forget the Filler gloss in the shade Velvet. But I'm just gonna get dressed really quickly. I cannot wait, and then we're gonna come back. All right, y'all, this is what we're giving for the Charlotte Tilbury. This is a cutesy little summer happy hour, so I wasn't too dressy. The top is dark. The jeans are Good American. I just got these yesterday and they're so cute. I'm wearing some gold strappy heels and then my little Fendachi bag. Scent of the night is Creed's Queen of Silk. I love this. It just smells like luxury. If you haven't tried this, you need to get your hands on it. All right, so I'm gonna order my Uber and get out of here. It was raining and my hair got ruined, but whatever. I know y'all want to see what's in this goodie bag filled with Charlotte Tilbury stuff. I'm so excited. First we have the Magic Cream. I've never tried this, but cream, it's supposed to be a great base for underneath makeup. We have these lip plumpers. One is in the shade Fair, one is in medium deep. She used this on me tonight and I loved it. It was such a good formula and the color was perfect. So it has this really cute pillowed packaging. We have a bunch of cheat lip liners. We have Pillow Talk Fair and regular Pillow Talk. A couple of the Charlotte Tilbury contour ones. One is in fair and the other is in medium deep. Pillow Talk Kissing Lipstick. This is a very nude color. Beauty highlight wand and spotlight. The Pinkgasm blush lighter. I actually have this on tonight. Pillow Talk lipstick. A couple of these matte beauty blush wands. Eye Rescue. The Airbrush Flawless Spray that we all love. Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. And this hydrating mist. I cannot wait to start using all this stuff. My favorite product that I used tonight are the lip plumpers. The color was unreal. I'm actually going to try it on right now for y'all. The one that she put on during my makeover was the medium deep shade. Just this really pretty brown sort of nude. That is the perfect color. This is about to be my new favorite go-to lip. I honestly don't have the patience for lip combos, so I love when I can just find something that I don't need a liner with. But yeah guys, I am just about to get ready for bed. It is 9:45, so I will see y'all later.
You said